Sacramento City teachers rallying in the streets of Sacramento right now. The teachers union and district still at odds over a new deal. Today is the third day of the strike. While teachers are out of the classroom, kids haven't been able to go to school. KCRA 3's Aaron Heff joins us live now. So Aaron, have the teachers union and the district met since the strike began?
There has been no discussions, Lisa, none whatsoever. What you're looking at is day 3 of that strike. Thousands and thousands and thousands of teachers and other staff. They met in Cesar Chavez Park earlier today. They worked their way to City Hall. You're looking at them working their way back right now to Cesar Chavez Park. Chants calling for the removal of Superintendent Jorge Aguilar is what really is ringing through the downtown right now. This strike involves 4,600 Sacramento teachers and other school workers, members of the Sacramento City Teachers Association and SEIU. Those are the two unions on strike. This strike has shut down instruction on campuses across the district. Kids are not in the classroom. This is one of the largest districts in the state of California. Collectively, what they've been telling us, they want better pay, better treatment, more resources. They say they're hideously understaffed. At this time, there are no talks scheduled between SCTA and the district negotiations. Right now, what you're looking at is them walking back to Cesar Chavez Park, lots of chanting. Just with one camera, it's just not doable to put this crowd in perspective. Mason, my photojournalist, if you turn to your left, it's just thousands of people. They are really voicing their opinion, and I don't believe that this will stop anytime soon. But for now, in Cesar Chavez Park, Aaron Heff, KCRA 3 News.
Aaron, thank you so much. And we are able to see just how many people are out there, at least from that vantage point. Thanks for the live report. There are a lot of unknowns right now for families. We don't know if the strike will continue on Monday, and we don't know if schools will be closed again. So we want to hear from parents of the Sacramento City School District. Scan this QR code and tell us how you're dealing with the strike. The link will bring you to the KCRA 3 app, where you can fill out a form to tell us how you're dealing with classes being canceled.